Tash from Elgas here. No matter the time of the year, business owners are some of the busiest people I know. And now that the COVID-19 pandemic has placed so many businesses in WA under extreme financial stress, many business owners we have been working with have gone into complete overdrive. But there are still only 24 hours in a day. Given many business owners are under a lot of stress right now, but still only have the same amount of time, what should we be prioritising our time on? Well, the short answer is that now is a more important time than ever to get the basics right. It might be really tough for some business owners to review their cash flow budget right now, but it is something that absolutely needs to be done regularly, and even more so during uncertain times such as these. Some other things, however, need some extra time and dedication during these times. One of these things is to make sure that your team stays connected despite working from home, and making sure that you maintain your culture at this time. So, if you want to get some more information about these or have a chat about these issues, please feel free to reach out. Also, just a reminder, we have our Tax Planning in Uncertain Times webinar coming up on the 13th of May. And please register in the link in the bio. Thank you.